Alright, so I'm at the Toronto airport, headed to LA, and I only have 10 items in this bag that I'm traveling with. I can't believe I'm doing this. So I am going on a 3-day trip to Los Angeles, and I want to challenge myself to bring only 10 items in my carry-on. I'm gonna pick my bag first. I'm gonna get to packing everything else. I'm gonna lay everything out so I can show you guys. And if you are traveling on a 3-day, even week-long trip, month-long trip, I challenge you to take as little as possible, even do the 10 item challenge that I'm trying to do. And yeah, let's do this. Let's get packing. This black bag is gonna be probably more practical and more comfortable, and it has more compartments, which I like. This one is more fashionable, and we're going to LA, so that's something to consider. But I'm gonna go with the practical, more comfortable bag, so I'm gonna fit everything into this. Goodbye, bags. See you on another trip. So the key here for packing is to bring items of clothing that are, one, fashionable, I am going to LA, but practical and versatile. A t-shirt or a tank top would be good, and also something that would look good at nighttime as well as during the day. So maybe that. This is so hard. This is always so hard, the clothing part, because you just want to like bring everything, because you're like, oh, I might need this for that or that or that, and then you end up not wearing half of what you bring. Decisions.
What do you think of the 10 item challenge? What do you think? Any opinions? You don't need any items. You're pretty much naked. I think that whatever you're wearing shouldn't count. 10 items in the bag.
10 items in the bag. Okay.
But also don't like load your pockets. Like don't go nuts.
You know me well. I won't be sneaky. Hair stuff and makeup. Oh my god. Maybe I can go like 3 days without washing my hair. I usually do that, so I don't need shampoo and conditioner. I guess I'm not flossing for 3 days. Okay, I'm like at 20 items. I still need shoes. Doc Martens. Versatile, right here. These are really good quality. They're comfortable. They're good for adventure. They look good when you wear them out. They look good with dresses. They look good with pants. So I'm definitely bringing these.
And these don't count to the 10 items because you're gonna wear it, right? Like if whatever you're wearing doesn't count.
Right. So I could bring another pair of shoes, but that would also count as one of my 10 items. Or I could just use these and wear them all the time, and then I'd be able to bring something else.
Yeah.
I need to just have a moment to really make sure that everything that I've laid out is is good enough.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Hotel Maya. This is Deshae. May I assist you?
Hi, yeah, I'm staying with you for a few nights, and I'm just wondering what you guys have, like in terms of toiletries. Like, do you have toothpaste or shampoos, conditioners provided?
In the room, you're provided with shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and a bar soap. Okay,
and do you guys have razors or toothpaste or anything that I can get up to my room? I know some hotels offer that.
We have that at the front desk.
Okay, so you have toothpaste, razors. Do you have toothbrushes or?
Yes, ma'am.
They have toothpaste at the hotel, so I don't need toothpaste. I'm gonna bring my own toothbrush, even though they do provide a toothbrush. But I'm just gonna bring my own. Eyeliner and mascara. I wanna bring both. And I have my eyebrow pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna axe the eyebrow pencil and bring mascara and eyeliner. A straightener. Now we're getting, like, is that 10 items? That would already be 12. Okay, so I'm not gonna bring my toothbrush because they provide them at the hotel. I'm gonna bring my straightener. I won't bring my brush. I'm gonna use my hand. Damn, this is hard. Really, all I need is a passport and a wallet. I'm gonna bring my hoodie. I love bringing hoodies on a trip, just because it's comfortable. I think we did it, guys. I think I have 10 items. and it's making me feel really like uneasy because I feel like it's so little and then I'm going to need more, or I'm not going to be happy with what I'm bringing. But I guess we'll find out because I'm going to do this anyway and see what happens. A pair of underwear, my straightener, deodorant, face moisturizer that can be used also as lip gloss, a dress, a hoodie, a pair of tights, a t-shirt, eyeliner, mascara. Okay, so this is it. These are my 10 items. And I can't believe how fast it is going to be to pack my bag. Usually this takes a lot longer than like 10 seconds. 10 items, 10 seconds. Look at that. Done. Ready to go. That's ridiculous. Let's go to LA. All right, so I just got to my hotel room in Long Beach, California, and I really wanted to brush my teeth. And I'm like, oh yeah, I didn't bring a toothbrush, but I can order one from room service, complimentary. So I got the goods. So I got a toothbrush. It's not even like a mini one, it's like a full-size toothbrush with little Colgate. They even gave me a razor and Gillette. All right, so I used the shampoo and conditioner that came with the hotel. It wasn't bad, And this is when I learned my travel hack. So, beauty hack. I leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair. I rinse it out maybe like half rinse, and leave in half of the conditioner, specifically on my ends, so that my hair is softer, right? Rather than rinsing it all out, then it gets more tangled. And I also didn't bring a brush, so I'm just like using my hand to brush out my hair. I don't have any of my hair products with me. Usually I put like some serum in the tips of my hair. But I have my face moisturizer, which has like shea butter and jojoba oil in it, so I'm gonna use that on the tips of my hair. So another little beauty travel hack for you. That actually is really nice. I've never done this before, but it makes sense to me, and it's working. Some beauty travel hacks 101. Be sure to check out my video for more beauty travel hacks. I'll leave a link in the description box below. That was such a fun trip. I got to see some of my favorite people and be in sunny California weather, which was super nice. But now I'm heading to the airport and I packed my bag, and the best thing about it is it took under 5 minutes to pack it all up, and this is it. I had everything that I needed. I used everything that I brought. There wasn't one thing that I didn't use, and I also didn't feel like I needed anything else. The hotel had everything else that I needed, which was awesome, and I feel so much lighter. I feel like, I don't know, it's just such a different feeling to feel like I was able to survive just off of 10 items, feel good, look good, and know that I used everything that I brought, and it wasn't just like a waste of space. So 10 item challenge, successful. I'm definitely doing it again, and I challenge you to do it as well.